Today I'm making a painting for an art competition. The theme of the competition is the earth and magic. I'm making a beautiful scenery and a magical castle on the clouds. Let's get started! I have some yellow at the bottom and orange at the top. I'm going to start by draining the water from my brush, then blending the yellow, then blending the orange. Make sure you start with yellow and then go orange. I'm going to gently blend my yellow and orange now. It's time to do the blue. Let's put the dots on. I've cleaned my brush and I have 2 shades of blue and a bit of black ready. So I'm going to start with blending the light blue and then the dark blue and then the black. Oops, I left some blue space. I need to get another brush to finish the blue. First I need to wash it. I've cleaned my brush. Now let's go over the blue and black again. Just to moisture it and blend it. First finish blending the orange and blue or the blue and then go to the black. Do you know why to not go to the blue after reaching the black? Because black's the darker color. You can destroy the painting. Now it's time for my favorite part, making the stars. I've mixed a bit of water to my white so it's more liquidy to make the stars. I'm going to put some white on my brush. Then with another brush, I'm going to do tuck, tuck, tuck. This is what your result should look like. Let's leave it to dry. Then we'll come back to the next step. You can use a hairdryer or wait for 1 hour for these paints to dry. I am back! My background's all dry. I'm going to use this chalk to draw the moon. The bowl is going to be my stencil. And I'm going to make it on the side this time. Then just start painting the moon. Whoopsie doopsie, out of color. I'm done with my moon. Let's leave it to dry and then move to the next step. My moon's all dry. Let's start with the rocks. We'll need a brown paint and then we just make the rocks. The lines shouldn't be so straight. Let's get on with the next step. That's making the tree. Let me get my light brown ready. We're all done with the tree. All that's left on the tree is the flowers. Let me go get some earbuds. I'm back with my earbuds. Let's get to the flowers now. I'm going to do tap, then tap, tap, tap. Then I'm going to do tap, 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 tap. We're done with the tree. We'll leave it for drying and come back later. Alright, it's time for the magical part of our painting, the castle. I'm going to start with cutting out the center part of the toilet roll for the castle. First, do a vertical line Then cut a little more here. This is the center. Now let's put it there. And then let's now cut the top. This is what it should look like. And put it there. Let's get started with the coloring. I'm painting my castle with golden. Let's draw the doors and windows of the castle. I will use the stencil to draw the shoes, crown, and wand of the magical princess. Let's get cutting. Let's put glue on our cutouts, then put the fairy dust on. We will do this for all our cutouts, then leave them to dry. Let's put the glue on the back of the castle, then put the cotton on. Now let's put the pencils on for the pillars. Now my castle's all done! I'm gonna use this cotton to make the clouds. Put a few dots of your glue and then put a bit of cotton on at a time. Now let's put these things on. You know what happened here? The fairy was sleeping in her castle and her stuff fell down. Now we need to wait for the glue to dry. Woohoo! My painting's ready! Wish me luck! Bye!